Hello, hi, this is Muhammad Al Faris. This one is a Joker knife, folding knife. It's called Canguro 1. It comes with Canguro 2 and 3 with more pieces and options like the Victorinox. It comes with a lock mechanism, so it have good protection. You see here, it's made in Spain. It's made by hand, which is nice. It comes with this leather lanyard, which is also very nice. Many knives come without it, you have to buy it. So it's a good feature. It's made from stainless steel, the bolsters and the knife. It have a nice grip, even though it's small. It can be used for hunting and bushcraft, camping. It's a nice, it have many nice uses. It have this beautiful handle. It's a stag handle, stag horn, male adult deer. I think this is what a stag means. It comes with a very sharp knife. I really liking this bolsters. They look so robust. There is no any wobble or any movement. Up and down a little bit. Very, very tiny. Let's do some wood testing. I have this my set here. Let's test it out. This one is one tough fat wood, so I will keep it for something bigger like an axe. This one is much better. Shredding this fat wood is easy. And then you make some for a quick fire if you want. If you want, we can test the spine if it's sharp. It's sharp, but I don't know if it's sharp enough. Let's try it out. Yeah, it's okay. Oh, we got fire. So, yes, it's useful. A bit ruined my spine, but I don't care. I buy my stuff to use them. It's a tough knife. Really tough, beautiful knife. So, I think that's all. I highly recommend it if you find it somewhere. They sell, I think, Joker in USA. I bought mine for a very good price. Yeah, something around $60. So thank you so much for passing by. Hope you like my review. If you like it, stay tuned for more quality stuff, outdoor stuff, like this one. Bye bye.